Hey everyone, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So I've had to draw a new winner for the wiskf gift certificate. Gift card is what they say these days. The other winner, one of the other winners did not contact me. I hope you're okay, Cassie. So here's the new winner. So Rachel, congratulations. So send me an email and let me know what your email address is, and I'll send that over to Wisk. I was waiting for all 5 winners, and then I was going to send them all 5 email addresses at the same time, but then one person didn't respond. So I sent the first 4 winners, and now Rachel, as soon as you send me your email address, I'm going to whisk yours off to Wisk. Anyway, so you, Rachel, have won an $8 gift card. So you need, if you're not signed up to their website, you must do that. All the winners have to, so that you can, so they can automatically send you your gift card. Oh, I want to mention also there's the Lunar New Year holiday going on right now, and they celebrate, so they will not be in the office again until the 28th. Today's what's 23rd? Yeah, so for a few more days. So, you know, I guess you won't be getting your gift card until they're back in the office. So yeah, you guys, I think you're gonna have a hard time choosing bags. They have bags, they have pillowcases, they have aprons, they have like, I think it's 3 different kinds of tote bags. I love all their stuff. And they contacted me again. So they want to send me some more bags, and so or whatever I want to pick out, they said. I think pillowcases are going to be a couple of things I pick out, but I had said to them, would you mind if I gave a few of those items away? And then they said, you can choose 2 more items. So there's a lot. So I'm going to be giving some of that stuff away. I'm not sure when they're going to come, like they're not shipping anything out right now, but because they're on holidays. But when they do, I'm gonna get those and show them to y'all and tell you which ones you can win. And oh my goodness, this company is amazing, and they just they keep emailing me and asking me to work with them, and I feel honored. All right, you guys, congratulations, Rachel. I hope to hear from you very, very soon. I will give you 5 days. All right. And take care, everyone. I will see you as soon as I can. All right. Bye.